What's up YouTube, I'm Jaguar, and today I'll be reviewing Windows 8.1, but as you can see, I've still got my Android. So, yeah, that's because for some reason, every screen recorder I get on Windows 8 just crashes. I'm like, come on, someone, make one that works for Windows 8.1. So this is the start screen. If you've used Windows Phone, you'll be very familiar with this. So as you can see, it is good for touch, but you've still got the old desktop. The days of Windows 7. Just desktop. No stupid touchscreen stuff that barely works with a mouse. But it actually works good when you're doing remote desktop from a tablet, because it actually thinks that you've got a touchscreen plugged in. So if I do this, how's it done? If I do Windows, where's it? Where's the pause button? Okay, well, there was a pause button, but they'll let you do the Windows pause thing. Can you get off my screen, stupid keyboard? And if you swipe from the right on your tablet, it actually brings up the charms bar like you're using a touchscreen. So let me just try and get something up. No, I didn't want to tap that. So Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 are supposed to be on touchscreen devices, but they will still work on a non-touchscreen. You just don't get all the features. Nope, that's not one. System. So, see, pen and touch. Limited touch support with 10 touch points. Now my tablet supports 10 fingers multi-touch. Did I just open some? I thought I saw some flash on the thing. So it actually thinks you're using a touchscreen, so that is good. But when you're using remote desktop, it actually locks the computer and lets you log in as if Windows 8 on your tablet. So it does work well. If you swipe up from the start screen, you will get all your apps. You've got an Xbox Games app, so it isn't smart glass. You can see your achievements and stuff like that. Now I don't actually have an Xbox, but I still have an account, since for some reason when I created my Microsoft account they asked me for Xbox details on my phone. So you've got Windows Game Store. You can look at your achievements if you tap this. No, not messages. Achievements. Now I have, what's doing? So I have a Windows phone, so I've actually got the kind of a similar thing to the Windows 8 Games app on my phone, so things I can like get achievements. Anyway, so if you swipe in from the left, it's not working. There, you can no. You can have two things running at once. So I've got my Xbox thing here, and I can swipe that down and bring this over. So it works fine. You can run most Windows 7 apps on it. You can run things like, if it'll open, you can run things like Movie Maker. That's what I use to edit my videos. Well, I actually don't really do any editing. I just use that to turn it around. Because for some reason when I'm recording, it turns around. So, as you can see, it does sometimes say apps aren't responding. Let me find a good example of an app. Brush Paint. So this is an app for like touchscreen devices. I'm actually doing this on my sister's computer. And they don't have a touchscreen. I just use this for messing around while I'm doing remote desktop. So you can just tap new. But it isn't like as like slow as this. I'm just using remote desktop. So you can do anything. Oh yeah, I was just messing around with brush sizes and stuff. So it does work. And then people usually say, how do you exit an app using a mouse and keyboard? Well, in Windows 8.1, the new update, if you bring your mouse up to the top, it'll actually give you a kind of thing like with the minimize button. So it'll minimize it on your desktop. And then you can just do it as normal. I don't know how you do it. So all you need to do is right click it, close window. No, I don't want to disconnect. So you got a full screen kind of Internet Explorer. It just doesn't work if you've got different browsers set as the default one. So new tabs going to open in a second. It usually does. And it will say to set as default. So I'm going to do that. Tap Internet Explorer. Then voila. It said voila. So let me just close these things. What the hell? google.ie. This page can't be displayed. Yeah, that's because I can't type. So bring up Google. Now I don't want to zoom in. So if you've got a touchscreen, you can use multi-touch. So I can zoom in and zoom out. But it won't show up like the little white dots as you're seeing. Like if I go to here, you won't have the white kind of tap effect thing. That's just my tablet. But to get back to your full screen modern UI app, swipe in from the left, or if you're using mouse and keyboard, you can move your mouse up to the upper left hand corner and move it down. Nope. Move it up there, then click, and you'll get back to it. So as you can see, I can search as normal. It's just more full screen and more kind of touch screenish, rather than using this on a touchscreen where you can barely get it to go in there. Now, it does come with a kind of touch keyboard, so you can type in YouTube, enter, then it still works like that, but it's better for touchscreens using that. So normal Windows apps work fine. You can use stuff like Java, if I can open that. So, see, I'm running normal apps. But if you get one of those Surface or T tablets by Microsoft, you'll only be able to use apps from the Windows Store. If I can show you that. So this is where you will get the full screen modern UI apps. So just let it load. Is it gonna do it? Yeah. So you can get loads of things. You can get like Xbox sort of game things. If I go to here, there's a Flappy Bird app. But you can get loads of stuff. You can get Viber, Netflix, Skype, Google Search, Facebook, Flipboard. You can get Grand Theft Auto. You can get Guess the Color. So it's kind of like, see, in the logo, there's a orange kind of beats. You'll have to guess the correct color. If I go to the games category, if the icon's low, you'll see down in the bottom left, it says FIFA 14, but you'll notice a kind of Xbox ping on the top. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. If I go to here, it will work with the Xbox Games app that I showed you, and some will let you get achievements and stuff. So, nice way to do that. So overall, Windows 8 is a good operating system. It's just, if you have Windows 7 and you've got lots of programs you like, I wouldn't bother upgrading because some will crash and stuff. I tried using this screen recorder software that I used to use on Windows 7, and that gave me a blue screen of death. So, not many apps are compatible at the time, but I'm sure once Windows 9 is released, like, most apps will be compatible, and then people won't want to upgrade to Windows 9. So that is all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Anything you can do to support my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Well, I don't know why I always say that, because you never see me. Anyway, bye.